Hello everyone, welcome to Gate Wallah, welcome to Physics Wallah. In today's discussion, I will say in this today's session, we are going to discuss about how you can manage your gate preparation, especially if I'm talking about gate 2028 preparation, how you can manage with the college studies, with the college work, with the college activities, how you can manage step by step manner. I'm going to tell you in detail. So just listen for the next 10 minutes, and all the doubts, all the, I will say, confusion in your mind, whether I should be able to prepare for any competitive exam with my college study or not, that doubt will be completely cleared with this video. That is my promise to all of you. First, when you are in a first year, your intention will be only whatever subject in college you are going to learn. Mostly it will be either a basic subject or the subject which is common for all the branches. Those subjects you have to study in very, I will say, in a best manner, because these are the subjects which will give you the basics. Generally 2 to 3 hours of daily extra study other than the college will be enough for gate preparation and even for the ESE preparation also. How to use college time? See, during the college time, especially when you are in class, you have to focus on core subjects basically. Generally, if I am talking about civil engineering, geotech, transportation, other surveying, these core subject you have to focus mainly. Same topics revise for gate also. Try to revise that same topic for the gate preparation also. So it's like you are taking both the subjects parallelly for gate also, for the semester also. That is the thing. See what happens generally during the semester exam, we actually press the panic button only at the last. But if you start preparing for semester exams, if you start preparing for gate exam in a parallel manner from the day one of your semester, in that case it will help you to clear your semester exam in a best possible way, and with that you can prepare for your gate exam also in whichever year you are going to give. During the free period, you can revise your short notes, you can make your formula notes, you can make the formula practice part. All those things you can do in the free period time. Now, generally, when you are going for a lab, don't go for just for attendance, or don't go just to get the basic lab marks. When you're going for lab, that is a perfect place where you can understand the practical concept, which is ultimately going to help you in the interview. And during the travel time, you can watch like some revision videos, some short notes you can revise, some formula revision series you can watch. So that time not for all, but those who are traveling from their home to college or maybe from hostel to college, that time you can use it for watching revision videos and formulas. This is something which you have to understand, that during the college time there are some extra hours, there are some hidden hours that you can use it for your benefit. And that extra hour or hidden hours, who will tell you? You only, like as a student, you know in which class you are having some extra hour, between which class you have some extra leisure hour. So that you have to utilize. Sometime lunch hour, sometime any free lecture, that time you have to utilize, and that is something which will come from your mind only, your way of understanding the surrounding. Now, generally, in smart college studies, if I talk about, try to use college exam as a gate revision. As I said, see, whatever subjects which you are going to give, or which you are going to prepare for the gate exam, all the subjects are there in the semester exam also. So if you take this college exams also seriously, it will ultimately going to help you in gate or maybe for other competitive exam also. Study same subject for both. That means for competitive purpose also, for semester exam purpose also. Avoid double preparation. Separately not. Try to go with parallel mode. Study random college syllabus separately. That is I will say, one of the mistake which students do. Generally, because of that, you will not have enough time for all the subjects. First, you prepare for semester exam with a different thinking. Then you prepare for gate exam with a different thinking. So 2 times you have wasted time on a particular subject. But if you prepare, for example, if I will prepare water supply engineering in environmental engineering for civil engineering, that water supply engineering will be used for any exam. Either it is a semester exam or gate or any competitive exam. So you can go for that also. Waste time during unnecessary activity. This is something we do a lot. During college, we actually waste too much time in unnecessary activities which is not for our career build-up or not for our personality development. We waste unnecessary time in that activity. So try to save that time for you. Generally, daily routine, person who is going, who is taking classes on like in college also, and then preparing for GATE also through the batches. Then morning time you can use for the revision part. Morning time you can use it for the revision part. College time you can use it for little bit revision as well as some practice part if at all you are getting some time in between. Then evening you will have completely the regular classes, the regular live classes, and then the night you have to revise the daily revision, which is a quick revision for you. Now, this is something which is a college going student. This will be a perfect daily routine for all of you. Year 2 strategy, if I go, then you will definitely in the year 2, in the second, in the third year, fourth year, fifth year, then you are going for the advanced subjects. You have to cover the full syllabus, try to start giving the mock test, and then 4 to 6 hour daily you have to start preparing for it. Then suddenly next part you will switch to the PYQs and mock test, and then final 6 month you will only go for revision, weak topic I will say, work on your weak topic part, and then mock test continuously you have to give. This is for the last month part. Okay, now just a conclusion I am giving to all of you for all the 4-year plan. Generally, if you are in a first year, let's say if you are in a first year, my dear, try to focus only on the basics part, whichever subject which is taught in the semester exam, in the semester curriculum, just focus on those subjects. Try to see at least maths and aptitude part of your GATE syllabus. If possible, give that much time for that mathematics and aptitude subject. And then in second year onwards, you can start preparing for your technical paper also. Technical paper, that means in whichever branch you are, the core subject you have to start preparing for. Once the second semester is, once the second year is over, then your last 6 months will be, because definitely you all are going to give third year GATE also. Now we have an opportunity in the third year also. So in that third year, you can give your best attempt also. Third year, generally pressure is very less. You don't have any outside pressure of getting job or in job selection and all, or any placement selection and all. So in that case, your mind is free. You can get your best rank in the third. Now again, the same preparation you can carry for the fourth. That means in the fourth year, the final year exam. During that also you can give your GATE, and then that will be a second, I will say a second chance you are going to give GATE, and in that second chance it will be your best chance, because that GATE score you can use it for multiple options also, multiple opportunity also, like either it is a PSU, masters, many opportunity you can open with that. So this is the best way you can plan for your semester exam. So I hope this is clear to all of you. Still, if anybody having any doubt regarding this, you can ask that doubt directly through this Telegram, Mrigank Sir PW. And for all the updates regarding the GATE preparation, you have a GATE Wallah official Telegram channel, and then you have a particular branch channel for the civil engineering also. And if you are from any other branch, whether it is a chemical engineering or CS or DA, mechanical engineering, EE, ECE, IN, then you can join the separate group for that also. So we have a separate group for all the branches, so that if at all you want to get connected for all the updates regarding your branch, whether it is a job opportunity or any preparation technique or maybe any other guidance related to the GATE preparation and ESE preparation, all updates will be provided in the Telegram group. So stay connected with that. And with that, thank you so much all of you for watching this session completely. I hope in this 10 minutes I have given all of you a rough idea in how you can start, in what way you can start your preparation for the GATE exam, especially for the GATE 2028 exam. With that, bye-bye, take care. Jai Hind.